Hi everyone, Colin Tyler here at Woodridge Ford, and today we're going to have a bit of fun. Over the past week, LEGO and Ford released this amazing kit here of the 1967 Ford Mustang GT with a nice 350, and we're going to do a full build on it. So without further ado, we're going to start by opening this up and taking a look at what's inside, then starting the time-lapse to build this out. Now, we're off to a great start because all my fingers are still intact. As we open up the box, I'm going to start pulling out. You know what, let's have some real fun, just do the full stuff. And amazingly, nothing went off the table. So I've got a lot of pieces here, and a nice big manual, so this is going to be a fun long day by the looks, and we're going to just, if you can hear me over the rustling, we're going to take a quick read of this manual and see what it has to say. So first thing you're going to see within the manual here, a little bit of information about this Mustang we're building, and really nice message to start is welcome to the start of your Mustang story. One of the most iconic cars of the last 50 years, the Ford Mustang, is one of the most recognizable cars in the world. Did you know that it is also one of the most customizable? And just a side note, we do a lot of customization here at Woodridge if you're looking. So we go through, again, a really nice book with going into the history of the Ford Mustang, the birth of a legend, then going into the actual car itself. So, why don't we get started? Hey there, so we just finished the build. It took around 6 hours of time to build, so all in all, a really fun afternoon, and I gotta say, I'm really impressed with the quality of the Lego Mustang Kit. Got a couple removable parts so you can actually see inside. Again, some really nice little details. Steering wheel that's actually gonna move the tires for you. They've really paid attention to the detail on this 67 Mustang. Engine bay looks absolutely great. One of the little issues I did have is it did rely heavily on stickers, but you know what? That is such a minor thing. And being able to customize this, absolutely fantastic. Little turn here, and you can adjust the back wheel, give it more of that badass look. As you see in front, we've got a supercharger, just a quick pull off and couple little adjustments inside, and that's going to install right into the engine. So again, really nice. Now, another little bugbear about this is the price point. You're looking at around $200 Canadian, 150 American, but all things considered, 6 hours of build time. If you get the family around, while Lego says you're looking about 16 up, if you've got a 12-year-old who you're confident with, anyone above that age, or even just getting the family together, it's gonna be a fun afternoon. And all things considered, with the cost of entertainment now, a $200 price tag for a good afternoon of fun isn't really that expensive when you consider things. Now, again, great build quality, looks great, it's gonna look good on a shelf. And you know what? That's all for today. Want to see more? Let us know in the comments. And I've had fun doing this. Hope you've had fun watching this. And hopefully we have more coming to you soon. Take care.